team of reporters, in fact, is tracking all the developments that are currently taking place in the national capital. We've got Niyamika, Sabyasachi, as well as Priyank. Priyank, to you first. Tell us what's happening right now as we speak.
Abhishek. Yes, certainly. We are once again back to the same stretch of the road which has been, which was captured by the CJP supporters. Abhishek, if you can just move towards the crowd, because now they are being dispersed by the paramilitary forces and the Delhi police deployment. There have been multiple tear shells which have been lobbed towards them, and there's a major movement which is happening. There's a protest which is going on where these students have been refusing to move away from the location, and all this particular stretch of the road is being filled with all those supporters of the CJP. They moved towards this location, and now we are moving forward to show you that what is exactly happening on the ground. The Delhi police is attempting to push them back. That's why a bit of vehicular movement has also been allowed. But if you look at the left-hand side, many of these students have still managed to come here. They are stationed here. They have been chanting slogan against the government. But the fact of the matter is that this particular dialogue, which is yet to begin in a full-fledged manner, is certainly been demand of all these supporters. So the police action has stopped. The police is here to stop them. The force is not being used till the manner in which the tear shells were being lobbed on these students who came here. Over the period of the last few hours, what we have seen, that the number has swelled up so much that this area of the national capital has been totally captured by the supporters of the CJP, which can be seen on the ground.
Right, and also we're getting visuals, Priyank, as we speak, of some policemen also sustaining injuries. That was the news we got earlier, that certain cops also got injured amid this clash while tear gas shells were being fired. What is the update on that front?
Few of them have been injured because the stone pelting also happened from the protesters' side. But right now the major issue for the Delhi police is to disperse the crowd, because remember, Amita, these are the students who came here on the call of the CJP. These are the students who have also come here on the call of various political parties. But the health of the student is certainly something on which the government cannot take any kind of wrong step. They have to ensure that every student who came here should go back to his home peacefully. The manner in which the 20 deaths has happened with these the suicide cases, which was somewhere related to the NEET aspirants, had led to this kind of massive protest. So at this particular junction, the instruction from the top hierarchy is not to injure any kind of student. That's why you have seen that the tear shells were being lobbed from the top. It was not straight away targeted towards the student, and now they are being pushed back is the major issue which the Delhi police have managed to resolve. You can see back, that's the parliament. This stretch has now been empty. The closest proximity till where the students could go, the CJP protesters could go, has been cleared by the Delhi police. And till the rank of the joint CP have been there on the ground, and they have been pushing away all those. You can see in the whistle which is being done from the Delhi police side to push these protesters who have come here. Those who were on the footpath are also being told to go back. Their designated area, according to the Delhi police, is Jantar Mantar. But looking at the kind of development which has happened at Jantar Mantar, the kind of crowd which has swelled up at Jantar Mantar, they did not had any kind of space. So the organizers who attempted to make a call, the organizers who called more people to a location which can only accommodate 4,000 people, were also taking risks about life of all those people. There are few students who have been affected because of the tear shell, have been allowed to sit down. They have been told to have water, but the manner in which this massive crowd is being pulled back by the Delhi police is very important to be seen. A few vehicular movement was allowed from the Delhi police side, because in this kind of scenario, when the vehicular movement starts, the protesters suddenly to go back. This is what is happening. Joint CP rank officers being on the ground along with the most DCPs of this area have been trying to control the situation. That's why these protesters have been pushed back.
Right.
Back to you.
Couple of things, Priyank. One, is there anyone who's leading this group of people that tried to, breach the last barricade? You told us that they managed to reach the last barricade as well. And also simultaneously, what's happening at Jantar Mantar and how many supporters are we really looking at? You said that 4,000 is the capacity of protesters at Jantar Mantar. The number swelled. It was much higher. Some reports suggesting that around 12,000 odd protesters are around this area.
Must be, because the official permission generally allows 500 individuals to gather there. The maximum capacity can go till 4,000. And looking at the weather which is there, it's quite humid, I would say, and the kind of tear shell which is being lobbed in this particular area, it was very difficult for many of the students to stay back and hold it till there. But suddenly we started observing there was a major crowd which also came from the Connaught Place area and which moved towards. Let's go further. Okay. The protesters are once again being moved back by the police. While talking about the total number of strength which we have observed, there must have been around 10,000 protesters who were already there at Jantar Mantar. If you talk about the other areas in the vicinity, it could have been around 20,000 odd protesters, Hina, who have been there in and around in this area. Like this particular area is right opposite to Shastri Bhavan, and now these individuals who managed to come here are being told to go back, but certainly they are showing some sort of force. They are not willing to move away. That's why time and again you can hear it in my background. You can always hear the whistle which is being done by the Delhi police to push
Priyank,
these protesters.
I can also see a
the
bus in your frame. Are some of them being detained as well?
Yes, few of them. Few of them have been detained who are not willing to accept the instruction from the law enforcing agency, and now they have been pushed back to this last level barricade. Abhishek, you can just come here. It is an attempt by the Delhi police to move these protesters back. They have come here, and आप लोग आए थे, क्या चले, क्या हुआ? आगे कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
लगातार पुलिस प्रशासन लगातार हमें छात्रों में छात्र यहाँ अपने हक की लड़ाई लड़ने आए हैं। जितने छात्र अभी नीट की वजह से खत्म हुए, जो समस्या आई, उसके बाद भी जिस तरीके से पुलिस यहाँ पे आना चाहिए प्रशासन को बात करने।
सर हमारे what they're saying that they came here to protest against the NEET paper leak, but the manner in which they have been pushed back by the Delhi police is certainly not something which they were expecting, and that too multiple tear shells being lobbed on them is certainly which had triggered them more. We exactly don't know whether this information has reached to those protesters who have been sitting at Jantar Mantar or not, because the internet is one of the major issues which has been there. Another push, the drama continues, the dramatic visuals from right opposite to the parliament continues, where on Rafi Bagh you can see that the officials have been attempting to push away these protesters. They are being moved towards the Jantar Mantar. But we exactly don't know that what is going to happen next, because the manner in which more and more supporters have been there at the Jantar Mantar, if this crowd goes back to that particular narrow barricaded area, what is going to happen next? So there's a very tricky law and order situation which is here in the national capital, where the push and the tear shells is being done.
Right. In fact, Priyank, as we speak, we also told our viewers that a meeting is also currently underway between Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and Union Home Minister Amit Shah. So I'm sure how to deal with this situation is going to be on the agenda as far as this crucial meeting is concerned. But Priyank, even as we continue to be live with these visuals that you're bringing to us, I want to understand from you simultaneously what's happening at Jantar Mantar.
Jantar Mantar, he's analyzing the situation. He has been using the student shield to pressurize the government. But the fact of the matter is, if the call was at 9 a.m., The protest should have started. If the protest march was called at 9 a.m., then certainly the leaders should have been there. Abhijit, they came missing from the action which happened here at Parliament Street. Let's see what is going to happen next. Back to you.
Right. The question is, where is Abhijit Dipke? Where are other representatives of CJP who asked these protesters to join this particular protest so that they can march to Parliament? That's one question, because a couple of minutes ago, we also got this information that 2 representatives of CJP were on their way to meet Union Minister JP Nadda. Priyank.
Abhishek.
Okay, I think Priyank is not able to hear me because there is a lot of internet connectivity issue as well, viewers, around this area of the national capital. What you can see on your screens right now are dramatic visuals that we've got for you. Cops have also sustained injuries amid the chaos that was witnessed.
Central government has already started. The meeting has started where the representation has been going on. Let me talk to the viewers of Nabhat also. Nabhat के दर्शकों को हम सीधी तस्वीरें भी दिखा दें जो साइमल्टेनियस हम कर रहे हैं टाइम्स नाउ और टाइम्स ऑफ नभारत पे। ये काफी ड्रामेटिक तस्वीरें हम यहां से देखते नजर आ रहे हैं। ये शास्त्री भवन के ठीक सामने की तस्वीरें हैं जहां पे अब से कुछ ही देर पहले आंसू गैस के गोले चले थे, टीयर शेल्स चले थे यहां पे इस लोकेशन पे, और अब पुलिस ने जैसे तैसे करके इन प्रदर्शनकारियों को यहां से पीछे पुश करने में पुलिस ने थोड़ी कामयाबी हासिल कर ली है। हम आपको तस्वीरों में दिखाएं कि अब ये जो स्टूडेंट हैं इनको एक एक करके दिल्ली पुलिसकर्मी समझा करके अब पीछे की तरफ पुश कर रहे हैं। सबसे बड़ी बात है कि सरकार छात्रों को किसी भी तरीके की चोट पहुंचाने के पक्ष में नहीं थी, इसलिए हमने देखा कि जितने भी आंसू गैस के गोले चले हैं सब ऊपर के तौर से चले। हम यहाँ बिल्कुल बीचों बीच हैं और टाइम्स नेटवर्क एक लॉटरी टीम थी जब पुलिस एक्शन हो रहा था पार्लियामेंट के ठीक सामने आंसू गैस के गोले चल रहे थे, तब हम यहां से सीधी तस्वीरें दिखा रहे थे। और अभी भी जो प्रदर्शनकारियों को पीछे पुश करने की जो कवायद है वो चलती नजर आ रही है। आप देखें सड़क के दोनों तरफ, दोनों जो फुटपाथ है वहां पे दिल्ली पुलिस और साथ में जो सीआरपी के जो जवान हैं वो इन प्रदर्शनकारियों को पीछे जाने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी यहां से कुछ ही महज 1 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे ही जंतर मंतर है, वो धरना स्थल जहां पे तकरीबन 1.5 महीने से कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी और उससे संबंधित सारे के सारे प्रदर्शनकारी वहां पे थे। आज हमने देखा कि बड़े बड़े जो नेता थे वो भी वहां पे मौजूद थे। उमर अब्दुल्ला पहुंचे, फारूक अब्दुल्ला पहुंचे, डिंपल यादव पहुंची, तो एक तरीके से पॉलिटिकल सपोर्ट भी अब मिलना शुरू हो चुका है। आप देखिए दिल्ली पुलिस के डीसीपी हैं ये, और ये एक एक करके जो प्रदर्शनकारी यहाँ पे मौजूद है उसे पीछे जाने की गुजारिश कर रहा है। कुछ ऐसी भी महिलाएं हैं जिनको आंसू गैस के गोले के इफेक्ट के कारण चलने में तकलीफ हो रही है, तो उन्हें रिक्वेस्ट किया जाता है कि पीछे जाए। सबसे बड़ा सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि अब जब ये प्रदर्शनकारी इस छोर तक पहुंच गए थे, पार्लियामेंट के ठीक बीचों बीच ठीक सामने पहुंच गए थे, और उसके बाद एक बार फिर आंसू गैस के गोले चलने शुरू हो गए हैं क्योंकि प्रदर्शनकारी पीछे जाने के लिए तैयार नहीं है। यू कैन सी द विजुअल्स दैट द protesters once again the tear shells being lobbed। प्रदर्शनकारियों पे एक बार फिर से आंसू गैस के गोले चलाए जाने लगे हैं क्योंकि पुलिस कितनी भी कोशिश कर रही है प्रदर्शनकारी यहां से हटने को तैयार नहीं है, इसलिए मजबूरन एक बार फिर से आप देखिए पूरा आसमान सफेद हो गया है क्योंकि आंसू गैस के गोले इस्तेमाल किए जा रहे हैं पुलिस की तरफ से। जिस तरीके से रायसीना रोड और रफी मार्ग और इस महत्वपूर्ण गोल चक्कर यानी शास्त्री भवन के ठीक सामने की ये जो तस्वीरें हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं, वहां एक एक करके प्रदर्शनकारियों को दिल्ली पुलिस पीछे धक्का देने की कोशिश कर रही है, और अगर वो मान नहीं रहे हैं तो उनके तरफ आंसू गैस के गोले चला जा रहे हैं। यू कैन सी इन द विजुअल्स, दीज आर द ड्रामेटिक विजुअल्स स्टिल कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम the national capital right to very close to the parliament gate where the protesters have been pushed away, pushed back by the Delhi police forces who did wanted to move inside the parliament. They wanted to barge inside the parliament. They wanted to go till the last bit of the parliament stretch, but finally when they walked towards it they have been pushed back। पार्लियामेंट के ठीक सामने से तस्वीरें लगातार यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि आंसू गैस के गोले चलाए जा रहे हैं। काफी ज्यादा मुश्किल हो रही है दिल्ली पुलिस को यहाँ पे इन प्रदर्शनकारियों को हटाने में। जिस तरीके से यहाँ पे भीड़ बढ़ती नजर आ रही है, जिस तरीके से एक एक करके आंसू गैस के गोले चलाए जा रहे हैं, वो उसको देख के साफ नजर आता है कि पुलिस अब इन प्रदर्शनकारियों को पीछे धक्का देगी, लेकिन कहां तक देगी? क्योंकि यहां से अगर ये बाएं कट का रास्ता लेते हैं तो सीधे ये जंतर मंतर पहुंचेंगे, जहां पे जो कुल संख्या है प्रदर्शनकारियों की वो एक्सटेंडेड लिमिट से ज्यादा है, यानी जितने प्रदर्शनकारी उस एरिया में समा सकते हैं उससे भी ज्यादा वहां पे प्रदर्शनकारी पहले से मौजूद है। तो इन हालातों में ये प्रदर्शनकारी कहां जाएंगे, किस तरीके से होगा और पुलिस की आगे की रणनीति होगी, ये लगातार देखते रहिए टाइम्स नेटवर्क पे। टाइम्स नाउ और टाइम्स ऑफ भारत जो साइमल्टकास्ट कर रहा है लाइव स्पॉट से, जहां पे आंसू गैस के गोले चल रहे हैं, वहां से हम आपको सीधी तस्वीरें दिखा रहे हैं, मैं और मेरे कैमरा सहयोगी अभिषेक।
Right, so live updates there coming in from the national capital, and those are the visuals you can see, viewers, on your screens that my colleague Priyank Tripathi is bringing for us. And there's high drama on the road, and it is extremely close to Parliament House, and today is the first day of monsoon session of Parliament, and the CJP supporters have gathered in large numbers. Let's go back to Priyank, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Priyank, over to you.
Yes, Hira, we are once again back to the visuals, and the tear shells are still being lobbed, and that is very important and ironic also that these tear shells are being lobbed right outside the Home Ministry's office. On our right hand side is the Home Ministry's new office, which was earlier at the
Right, we'll try and reconnect that line with Priyank. Priyank is joining us live from the spot. Very dramatic visuals coming in, and the police officials just resorted to tear gas shells to bring the crowd under control. This is, even as the Cockroach Janata Party, a lot of supporters as well were marching towards the parliament. Now, prohibitory orders were in place and clashes took place. We are told that the police officials had made it clear that you can't cross the barricading after the protesters attempted to cross the barricading and breach the barricading that had been put in place by the police officials. There was a clash. Police officials also resorting to tear gas shells. Even as we speak, a meeting is also underway, and we have breaking updates now coming in. Dharmendra Yadav has also been detained by the police officials. Dimple Yadav also being detained. Remember, multiple opposition MPs had visited Jantar Mantar to extend their solidarity, and amid this showdown, Dimple Yadav and Dharmendra Yadav have been detained by the police officials. They had visited Jantar Mantar to extend their solidarity with the protests from the parliament. They had gone to Jantar Mantar. Now they have currently been detained. We'll try and reconnect that line with Priyank, who is joining us from the spot, because all right, we have Priyank with us. Priyank, the police officials just a little while ago had also fired tear gas shells. What's the situation there currently? Okay, we'll try and reconnect that line with Priyank, but you're looking at the visuals on the screens, very dramatic visuals coming in. The protesters were marching towards the parliament. The Delhi police had made it clear that permission has not been given for the rally. Shefali is joining us on the broadcast with an update from Jantar Mantar. Shefali, we're getting in visuals as the protesters were marching towards the parliament, many of them being detained, tear gas shells being used by the police officials. What's the situation at Jantar Mantar?
Right, currently from where we are reporting, the situation seems calm, but yes, we have heard that when some of the protesters were marching towards the Sansad Bhavan area, that is when the tear gas was used and some kind of scuffle did take place. Also, if we talk about the Samajwadi Party delegation, we have heard that Samajwadi Party delegation, including Dimple Yadav and Dharmendra Yadav, were coming towards Jantar Mantar, but in midway they have been detained and are currently at the Sansad Bhavan Parliament Police Station, is what we have been told by the workers, Samajwadi Party workers, who have been present inside the Jantar Mantar premises, saying that their leaders have been detained by the police. They couldn't come to the Jantar Mantar, and in midway they have been detained, is what we are getting information from the ground.
Okay, all right. So the security forces have used tear gas shells to disperse hundreds of supporters of the Cockroach Janata Party. They had gathered to march towards the parliament. Today is the first day of the monsoon session. The police officials were clear. Prohibitory orders are in place. They denied permission for the protest, and the protesters continued to march, also breaching the barricades. The police officials then used force to disperse the crowd, sticks and batons being used on the protesters who had gathered at the protest site for the Chalo Sansad march. Going to the parliament. That was their march, and this was against the irregularities and paper leaks in NEET. Some of the protesters and also the police personnel have also sustained injuries as the protesters tried to breach the barricades while marching towards the parliament. For a brief while, mobile internet was also shut in parts of central Delhi, and appeals are also being given out by the CJP. But look at these visuals on the screens. The protesters had gathered in huge numbers despite the prohibitory orders in place. The protesters tried to breach barricades, after which the police used force. Priyank is back with us. Priyank, what's the situation on ground currently?
Pratibha, we are back to these visuals, the dramatic visuals coming out from the National Capital, where the protesters have now been pushed to the fifth layer of barricade. As we are moving towards them, the Vajra Vahan was trying to control them. The media has been told to come towards this side. The Vajra Vahan has blocked it. The riot control vehicle of the Rapid Action Force has been deployed here. We will try to show you the visuals from here, because the protesters are very much angry because their demands are not being fulfilled. Abhishek, if you can just show them the manner in which the protesters have been demanding the resignation is clearly showing that what is the kind of anger which these protesters have against the government. Yes, Pratibha?
Okay, all right, Priyank, we continue to stay live on these visuals because as the visuals are suggesting, the police officials seem to have contained the protesters behind the barricades. But there are huge numbers. We can see a lot of protesters who continue to stay put right there, even after the police officials had used tear gas shells to disperse some who had breached the barricades.
Yes, Pratibha, we were showing you the visuals. We would like to, I beg your pardon, because we have to show the visuals from a distance, because suddenly the network congestion is one of the issue, because this area, mobile towers were not so much equipped that they can suddenly take, care of the crowd, which is in thousands of number. So there is certainly a network issue. If you can see the visuals from here, Pratibha, can you see them?
We can go on.
Pratibha, can you see the visuals?
Yes, Priyank, you are live. We understand that there is a bit of a...
So while we are keeping our viewers on these exclusive visuals, which are coming from the road which leads... Yes, I'll continue, Pratibha, because these are very dramatic visuals which is coming from the road which straight away goes towards the parliament. These are the same set of protesters who managed to reach to the last layer of barricade, after which was the main entrance of the parliament. But the Delhi police managed to push them back. They have been pushed at least 700 meters away from the location. Now the lathi charge has started, Pratibha. The lathi charge is being done by the Delhi police officers. अभिषेक पीछे आ, अभिषेक पीछे दे दे, रहने दे। Pratibha, we are keeping you on the visuals because the lathi charge has started from the Delhi police side. If you can look at the visuals, I've been requesting our viewers to stay put on Times Network. We will be bringing all these exclusive visuals from this location right outside the Ministry of Home Affairs office. Lathi charge being done by the Delhi police is to push away all those protesters who managed to come here till this location. This is the last location from where the protesters have been pushed back. Now they are on the roundabout.
Okay, so the police officials are also resorting to force again. Priyank, I'll come back to you in just a moment. Shivam is also joining us from one of the locations. And Shivam, what's the situation there where Priyank is at? Police officials again resorting to lathi charge to bring the situation under control.
That again connects to Jantar Mantar to the Rising Road, and almost a kilometer away is basically the parliament. And here also you are seeing thousands of supporters on the street. Currently, just for a moment, there was a baton charge by the police officials. There was a kind of chaos that erupted here, and then it led to a lot of, almost a chaotic situation here. However, still you are seeing there has been a constant, this crowd who has been, which has been here for almost 3 to 4 hours now. They are here, and you see the time the camera can capture, you'll only see people, you'll only see protesters on the street raising slogans, asking for accountability, and they're also basically asking for the resignation. They're asking for paper leak. They're holding the posters and the portraits of Baba Saheb Ambedkar, saying that the Constitution guarantees us a certain level of education. The Constitution has given power to the government to make sure that exams happen in a transparent way, but they have failed miserably is what they are saying. And just a few moments ago, there was a baton charge here because again, the protesters were marching towards the Sansad Marg. It is almost not even a kilometer away from here, but still here you are seeing currently there are thousands of supporters. There have been a proper layer of barricading here. The police came on this particular side, and then it led to a chaotic situation here. Protesters ran also. There are certain protesters on the truck as well. They are here from all across the country is what they are saying. To work for a common cause is what they are saying. To work for the betterment of the future of the common people. So, sir, आप यहाँ पर आए हैं, कहाँ से आए एक बार बताएंगे? और अभी क्या पुलिस लाठीचार्ज हुआ था, क्या हुआ था?
हम लोग मध्य प्रदेश से आए हैं।
मध्य प्रदेश आए हैं। आप स्टूडेंट हैं, क्या करते हैं?
स्टूडेंट हैं।
तो अभी मैंने देखा यहाँ पे लाठीचार्ज हुआ था। क्या मांग है? किस तरह से पुलिस बर्ताव कर रही है? कि आपको सही लग रहा है? क्या हो रहा है?
नहीं, पुलिस का जो बर्ताव है वो निहायत ही गलत बर्ताव है। स्टूडेंट्स के साथ ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं होनी चाहिए। अगर कोई अपनी आवाज़ उठा रहा है तो उसको अपनी आवाज़ उठाने देना चाहिए। ये इंसान का संवैधानिक अधिकार है कि वो सरकार से, सत्ता से अपनी बात रख सकता है, और अगर वो जायज़ हो तो सत्ता को माननी भी चाहिए। और जो स्टूडेंट जो हम सब मांग कर रहे हैं वो सब जायज़ मांगे हैं।
ठीक है सर, अभी कुछ देर पहले सौरभ दास और आशुतोष जी ने स्टेज से एक बयान दिया था कि अब गवर्नमेंट रेडी है बात करने के लिए। तो गवर्नमेंट ने एक बात करी है, गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से आया कि बात करने के लिए वो रेडी नहीं है। उसके बावजूद हम देख रहे हैं कि कोई क्लैरिटी अभी नहीं आई है। तो अभी क्या है, प्रोटेस्ट आगे जा रहा है, क्या हो रहा है?
कुल मिलाकर ये है कि बच्चों को डाइवर्ट किया जा रहा है, आंदोलन को भ्रमित करने की वो चल रही है।
किसके द्वारा?
बच्चे हमारे ऊपर गोलीबारी हुई।
किसके द्वारा?
अभी पुलिस के द्वारा हम वहाँ पे गए थे, पहले जंतर मंतर पे जाने की कोशिश की, वहाँ पे नहीं जाने दिया। पहले प्रोटेस्ट हमने वहाँ पे किया, इन्होंने सीधे सीधे गोले मारे। हमारी आइज में थे, मतलब बच्चे थे वो, हम
टीयर गैस के शेल बोल रहे हैं। कहाँ हुआ सर ये चीज, आप बताइए?
संसद भवन से पहले जो गोल चक्कर, उसी पे छात्रों पर दिल्ली पुलिस द्वारा गैस के गोले छोड़े, जो बिल्कुल निंदनीय है। छात्र जो है हमारे देश की रीढ़ की हड्डी है, और आप छात्रों के ऊपर ही गोले छोड़ रहे हैं, बिल्कुल निंदनीय है। इस सरकार बिल्कुल भ्रष्ट हो चुकी है, सरकार करप्ट हो चुकी है।
जब से सोनम जी को पुलिस उठाकर ले गई है, तब से आंदोलन को कुल मिलाकर पूरा भ्रमित करने की तैयारी चल रही है सरकार द्वारा। और जो कुछ लोग यहाँ पर भी ऐसे हैं जो मिसलीड करना चाहते हैं आंदोलन को।
तो अभी आपको, मतलब आप प्रोटेस्टर हैं, आप पार्ट है, आप चाहते हैं कि जो ये मूवमेंट है ये सक्सेसफुल हो। तो अभी कोई एक इंसान या कोई एक फर्म, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो इसको लीड कर रही है, या अब ये बिखर गया है, ऐसा कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है? क्या कुछ हो रहा है?
लीड आज सीजेपी कर रही है, सोनम वांगचुक जी के नेतृत्व में ही ये प्रोटेस्ट किया जा रहा है। बाकी जंतर मंतर तक क्या है ना, पुलिस द्वारा वहां तक छात्र पहुंच नहीं पा रहे हैं। तो गोल चक्कर के माध्यम से सब लोग अपने अपने रास्तों से संसद भवन तक आने का काम कर रहे हैं और शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से अपनी मांग कर रहे हैं। हम लोग कोई आतंकवादी नहीं, हम तो छात्र हैं। मेरा नाम लवीन सिंह भाटी है और मैं समाजवादी पार्टी की लोहिया वाहिनी से राष्ट्रीय सचिव हूँ। हम बीते 1.5 महीनों से अपनी मांग रख रहे हैं कि शिक्षा में बदलाव हो, धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी का इस्तीफा, ये हमारी मांग है।
अभी हमने देखा जब लाठीचार्ज हुआ सर, तो पुलिस के भी कुछ लोग घायल हुए थे। हिंसा किसी भी तरफ से हो निंदनीय होनी चाहिए। तो क्या कुछ ऐसे, मैं सिर्फ आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ कि आप यहाँ पर हैं, आप बोल रहे हैं 1 महीने से, कुछ ऐसे तत्व हैं जो बाय चांस प्रोटेस्ट में आके प्रोटेस्ट का माहौल खराब करना चाहते हैं? ऐसे
कुछ असामाजिक शख्स विपरीत, मैं तो कहता हूँ भाजपा के ही लोग आ रहे हैं, प्रोटेस्ट को खराब करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, पर हम लोग एकजुट हैं और हमारी मांग एक है।
Shivam, you're saying that a lot of these students have come from across the country. Let's take an update from Shefali as well. Shefali, what's happening at Jantar Mantar?
Right, you can see here, you just look at the visuals, how protesters are running. There's something is happening which you can see here. Police is trying to disperse the protesters. Just look at the force, how they are communicating with the protesters. You can look at the visuals right here on Times Now, where police is trying to disperse the protesters and protesters are running away, clearing this particular area. We are currently right outside Kerala House. You can see what is happening. There's a scuffle happening between the police and the protesters, where look at the person here trying to...
मुझे भी यहाँ पर मारा गया है। मैं उनको बोल रहा हूँ मैं शांति से प्रोटेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ पर सभी लोग शांति से प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, फिर भी वो गुस्सा मार रहे हैं, लात मार रहे हैं, लाठी चार्ज कर रहे हैं, कहीं किसी को उठा के नीचे पटक रहे हैं।
क्यों भगा रहे हैं आप?
इसीलिए भगा रहे हैं क्योंकि लोग संसद तक न पहुँच पाए और ये प्रोटेस्ट शांतिपूर्ण न हो।
Oh, you heard him. You heard one of the protesters here. You can look at the visual, the aggression between the protesters and the police. Here you can see how slippers are lying on the road. Just look at the visuals here. Many slippers are lying. People are just trying to disperse from this area. Very intense situation is what we are witnessing from Jantar Mantar. Right now, you can see how people are angry and police is also trying to calm down the situation. But you can see how both the sides are right now dealing, and this is what we are
Okay, Shefali, I'll come to you in just a moment. It looks like the police officials have resorted to tear gas shells again. Shivam, we hope you're okay. We can see the visuals.
Tear gas. Yes, Pratibha, so behind me we are at the Raisina Road. This is just opposite to the press club where it has happened. You can see the smoke coming out. This is the tear gas being mobbed by the Delhi police, the police officials here to disperse this crowd. This is coming without any warning as of now. You can see people just running away from there trying to save their lives because it is absolutely dangerous. You can't see, you can't breathe. It feels like something is itching in your throat when this thing happened. And imagine the crowd here. There are over 1,000 people. And then in this crowd, if these fire tear gases are being mobbed randomly, this could lead to a serious issue. And this is where things can intensify further as well. You can see people are covering their faces, people are covering their eyes because they don't have any option. It becomes, again I'm saying, it becomes difficult for breathing. Ma'am, agar aap baat karna chahiye, kya hua hai? Why you are crying about this? So your people are also going to, are also crying. Sir, क्या हुआ है वहाँ पर अगर आप बात करना चाहिए?
आंसू गैस छोटी सर,
आंसू गैस,
हाँ जी, पहले लट मार रहे साहब,
कुछ पहले वार्निंग दी गई थी, कुछ हुआ था कि
लगी साहब, क्या करें साहब, भागना है।
सॉरी, आपको बोलने में तकलीफ हो रही होगी, बट फिर भी अगर आप दर्शकों को बताना चाहें, कुछ वार्निंग पहले दी गई थी, कुछ बताया गया था कि दूर हो जाइए यहाँ पे मासूम
कह रहे सर, वो तो वहाँ
कुछ नहीं बताया
कुछ भी नहीं कह रहे सर।
कितने लोग थे लगभग उस वहाँ?
लोग तो वहाँ बहुत है।
क्या हुआ है सर, आप लोग अपना फेस का
हजारों के लोग वहाँ पे खड़े हैं, लेकिन किसी को कोई वार्निंग नहीं दी है, ऐसे ही फेंक दिया उन्होंने, और एक बार नहीं कई बार फेंक दिया, मतलब निकलने की भी जगह नहीं जिन्होंने वहाँ कैद करके रख रखा है।
ये देखो लड़का नंगा घूम रहा है।
Just to give you a context, I am almost more than 100 meters away from that exact spot, and I can feel it in my eyes, I can feel it in my throat while I'm speaking. The camera person who is behind the camera, he has just covered his face. His hands are shaking right now. Imagine thousands of protesters who were there without any warning, such things being mobbed on them. what could have led to, and what they are asking there again. The question is what they are asking for: accountability. What they are asking for: resignation of a education minister because there is a leak. That is what they are asking, and what they are getting in return: tear gases, because they chose to dare. They dare to go to the parliament and ask for something, ask for the answers, ask for something that they genuinely want: a secure future. And what they are getting again, you can see again, there's a blast here. They're again being tear gas. This is a huge blast this time. And now it has started a sudden chaos. People are running.
ये सीधा गोली मार दे, खत्म कर दे, सीधा गोली मार दे।
आदमियों पे गोले चढ़ा ले, ये देखो आंसू गैस के गोले, आंखों में जलन, ये गीला रुमाल, सांस लेने में परेशानी हो रही है। शांति पूर्वक धरना कर रहे हैं अपना, जब भी इनको नहीं है,
Not even police, most of them did not have their nameplates on it. When I requested them just to put their nameplate, they refused to do so. They are informal party supporters who are in the guise of the CRPF.
जब तक इस्तीफा नहीं, तब तक नीचे नहीं हटेंगे।
कोई एथिक्स कुछ भी नहीं है,
कोई हंगामा नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, फिर भी हमारे ऊपर गैस छोड़ी जा
भाई इस्तीफा लिया जाएगा, पक्का लिया जाएगा, जितने मर्जी देर लग जाए, कोई बात नहीं, बर्बाद ही हम वैसे।
So here you are seeing now the protesters just marching here because they were going to the Parliament House, but now the police official has resorted to
Okay, tear gas shells being fired again. Shivam, stay safe, but we can see that the crowds continue to swell. Let me quickly take in an update from Shefali as well. Shefali, is it the same at the spot you're in?
You were there. How it happened, ma'am? Was there any prior warning given to you about this?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ आंसू गैस के गोले छोड़े जा रहे हैं और लोगों को बेहोश करने का प्रयास किया जा रहा है। बहुत ही जालिम सरकार है, बहुत ही जालिम सरकार है। इस सरकार के खिलाफ लड़ने के लिए इस देश की युवा पीढ़ी को उठना चाहिए। ऐसे डर के भागने से काम नहीं चलेगा।
You can see again now the people have started running again because again there is some commotion that is happening on that side. We will try to reach there, but again because of the smoke, people are just running back behind. It has become a precarious situation here for a reason, because now you can see there are multiple vans, there are multiple Vajra vans currently present there. There are multiple buses for detention. There are other female protesters also present here. Ma'am, क्या हुआ था अगर हम बताना चाहें?
गैस के गोले इतने ज्यादा इन्होंने मारा है और फिर इतना ज्यादा फेस पूरा लाल हो गया है मेरा, इतना पसीने आ रहा है, पूरा जल रहा है मेरा पूरा फेस।
आप लोग महिला प्रोटेस्टर्स हो, कोई महिला पर्सनल वहाँ पर है, कोई आपसे बात?
नहीं, मैं उतनी ज्यादा आगे नहीं।
Okay, Times Now is the only channel reporting live from the spot. As of now, the clashes are continuing. We're slipping into a very quick break here.